Hello, friends. Welcome to New Tech Learner. I'm your Anna. Today, we are going to learn a assignment operator. So first, what is an assignment operator? The assignment operator is used to assign a values to a variable. For an example, in this assignment operator, there are equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to, floor division equal to, exponentiations equal to, and equal to, not equal to, lesser than equal to, greater than equal to. Let me do this practically to explain you clearly. First, type x equal to 2. Now type print x and run the program, and you will see the output called 2. Like this. Do next one. From this, all I take is program as reference. Type x plus equal to 3. Now run the program. You get the output called 5. Let me explain what happened here clearly. First, x variable is created, and x allocates some memory space. Now the 2 value is assigned. And stored it on the x memory space. Now Python checks the next line. Now see the x and created some space. And see the operator. Here the operator is plus and equal to. That is x equal to x plus 3. Now the Python checks the x value. The x value is 2. Now the Python stores the value of x is 2. Now it's 2 plus 3, and it stores the value of 5 in that variable. And the output is 5. Like this, the Python assignment operator works here. Let's do another operators fastly. Now change the plus symbol to minus and run the program. You will see the output called minus 1, and change it to multiplication and run the program. You will see the output called 6. Now change it to division and run the program. You will see the output called 0.66 and change it to modulus and run the program. You will see the output called 2. Now change it to floor division and run the program. You will see the output called 0. Now change it to exponentiations and run the program. You will see the output called 8. Now change it to and run the program. You will see the output called 2. Now change it to not and run the program. You will see the output called 3. Like this way the assignment operator is performed. Now we will see the comparison operator. Let's see what is comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. For an example, equal to operator, not equal operator, greater than operator, less than operator, greater than or equal to operator, and less than or equal to operator. Let's see practically. First type x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 and print x equal to y. Now run the program. You will see the output called false. Let me explain this clearly. Watch carefully. Here x allocates a memory space. called assign it to 2, and y allocates, and assign it to 3, and here the inside, the print, the x equal to y. That means x and y are same or not. If it is same, the output will be true. If it not, the output will be false. Let's change the value of y as 2 and run the program. Now you will see the output called true. Yeah. Like this. Let's do another comparison operator. Next is not equal to. Just go and change the double equal to symbol to not equal to and run the program. You will see the output called false, because the x and y is same. 2. Now go and change the y value as 3 and run the program. You will see the output called true. Simply, we can say that the not equal means if both are same, the output will be false. If not, the output will be true. Now move on. Next, go and change the not equal to symbol to greater than, and then run the program. You will see the output called true. Like this. Just copy the program and paste it, and change the symbol greater to lesser, and again paste it. Now change the symbol to greater equal to, and again lastly paste it, and change the symbol to lesser equal to. Now run the program. You will see the output of greater is false, and lesser is true, and greater equal to is false, and lesser equal to is true. Let me explain this. Watch carefully. First, the greater symbol. Here the x is 2 and y is 3. Here the greater is y. So the output is false. And next, x is 2 and y is 3. Here the lesser is x. So the output is true. Now greater equal to is. Here the x is 2 and y is 3. The greater equal to means it greater or equal to. So the output is false. And next is lesser equal to. So the output is true. Like this. You can use the comparison operator and assignment operator. From the next video, you will learn about logical operator. So stay tuned for my channel for more interesting tech content and learning programming language. So, please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for your time.